Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you 3 CBSE school teaching job vacancies. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.iischoolabudabi.com. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page, International Indian School Abu Dhabi. In this main page, right corner of down you can get one option, careers. If you click this link, careers, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for academic year 21-22. So here they are given. They are appreciate your interest in exploring career opportunities with them. So to apply for a job, please email your resume highlighting your qualification. Please ensure that you provide a valid email address in your resume. We will notify you via email when an opportunity arises that matches your profile. So these are the job vacancies, the current opening: social media specialist, student counselor, PE teacher, academic supervisor, primary teachers, music teacher, art and craft teachers, French teachers. So these are the vacancies. If you are interested in these vacancies, please send your resume to careers@iischoolabudabi.com. This is one of the CBSE school in Abu Dhabi. You can apply as per the instruction. If you want more details about this school, you can check it in the menu. You can get it from everything here itself. The second one is you can enter in the URL iisriyadh.com. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page. In this main page, one of the option in left corner, careers available. If you click this link, careers, you can get current opening. In this current opening, they are mentioned here: position vacant, teachers. Application are invited for the post of teacher in all subject and in all section on regular and ad hoc basis. So here they are given qualification as prescribed in the Unified Service Rule, which is under charter in our website. So if you click this link, administration, you can get one option, charter. In this charter they are given one PDF. So here Unified Service Rule. If you want details, if you want more details about the qualification and experience, you can download this link. So if you are download, they are given here Appendix A, minimum qualification for heads and teachers. So these are the senior secondary schools heads qualification and experience. Make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification, experience, etc. Depends upon your subject. You can check it here, qualification and experience. Please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. Depends upon the subject, the experience and qualification they are considering here. Librarian and junior library vacancies also available. So they are in the qualification and experience also here mentioned. So make sure applying, please check all the details. So if you are interested for all the subject teachers job vacancies, you can send your CV and cover letter to jobs@iisriyadh.com. The third one is you can enter in the URL www.iisjed.org. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page. In this main page, right corner, vacancies available. If you click this link, vacancies, you can get what are the teaching vacancies for academic year 2021. So International Indian School, Jeddah. So here they are given local advertisement, IT assistant. So online application are invited from eligible candidate against various position. The application are required to submit online application by clicking the link below. For the details of vacancy, kindly read the advertisement by click the link above. So local advertisement for IT assistant. If you are interested for applying IT assistant job, you can click this link. You can get what is the local advertisement for IT assistant, International Indian School, Jeddah. They are posted these job vacancies 21st April 2021. The deadline of this application 15th May 2021. Before that you can submit your application. So candidate may also send their biodata and CV on recruitment@iisjed.org. So IT assistant educational qualification is graduate from a recognized university. Other requirement they are mentioned here: diploma in computer application, diploma in hardware engineering and networking, experience in hardware maintenance. Maximum age limit is 45 years. So if you are interested for IT assistant job vacancies, you can apply online application. So online application available here. If you click this link, online application, you can get one job application form. This application form should take approximately 10 minutes to complete. There are only 3 sections in this application form. First one is your personal details. Second one is educational qualification, professional experience. Finally, you can upload a single file, your CV, cover letter, academic qualification. So all the details you have converted in a single file, then you can upload here. So please ensure you have all documents ready to upload. You begin this process. Once you have completed, you can submit the job application form. Please verify the entries before submission. Multiple application will not be entertained. Please make sure that the entries are made as per the passport. So here they are given the instruction in red color. So make sure before applying, please check all the details. As per the instruction, you can send your job application form. So this is the way you have to apply the job application, International Indian School, Jeddah. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. If you have any doubt about these job vacancies, you can comment. I will reply to you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.